Hi, you're watching The Sovera. This is Amarpal Singh before you. As US President Donald Trump has imposed additional 20%, 25% tariff on India, with which total tariff has increased to 50%. Today, BJP leader Fateh Singh Bajwa, he is addressing a press conference over here in Ludhiana. Let's know what he wants to say about this increase in tariff. Bajwa ji, welcome to The Sovera. And so what do you want to say about this increase in tariff by the US President Trump?
Listen, the basic thing you must understand by with this increasing this tariff, what Trump, the president of America, wanted was, be give us on the agriculture producers. You please don't put your tariff on that, and we will not put this 25% tariff on you. With that, for example, our cooperatives like Amul, our cooperatives like Verka, Nandini, what would have happened to them? They would have crumbled. Basically, America would have pushed their the milk powder, their produces, their corn, their urea, their basic fertilizers and all, which will ultimately hit the farmer. All these, once our cooperatives are, gone for a six, they go for a big loss. And ultimately the country is going to ask the Prime Minister, "Bhai, why did you do this?" So in case you have to choose one thing, either you have to see the tariff of America, or you have to choose between the farmers and the Indian diaspora, who is dependent 80% on our agriculture produce. So Modi ji opted for the farmers, and he said, I will not have any compromise in which our farm sector is going to get beaten up by this tariff of Mr. Trump. So he's kept up the dignity of the farmers, and the farmers of India must recognize this. That either if he would have said, okay, fine, I will not, you please, I won't put any tariff on your agriculture produce, then you should have seen the market. So it is very clear that country first, farmers first, and that doesn't matter. Let him put the tariff. Yes, our certain industry will get hit by that. We must understand. It's not that if it is some plus, that has to be some minus also. So, but at the same time, there are many people, those who have invested in America now, maybe in the in the cars or these kind of industry. I know few people, those who have invested in America a lot. They wanted to capture the American, industry there. But yes, either you look after 80% of your Indians, this thing, farmer sect, or do you look for a journal little bit negative, this thing here or there. So some compromise you have to do, but not at the stake of farmers. That is what Mr. Modi has made clear.
Balaji, when we taken up this issue of increase in tariff with the industrialists, they mentioned that it is a big 18% blow to the Indian exports, because a major portion of Indian export is with US. So it is 18% big percent, and they mentioned that farmers issue is not the main issue. They mentioned that the tax being imposed by India on the vehicles being imported from US, it is the main reason that this conflicts have increased. And further, they made the allegations that why on the Russian oil.
I'll ask you, which is that American car, which is that American kind of buses, trucks, which are being, which were being imported to India, and now that we are going to get not even one. Name one car. Name one this industry. This is all by hearsay kind of things. Have you ever seen American cars in India? No. Have you seen Impala or the bigger cars? It doesn't suit India. So nothing is going to happen that way. It was that he wanted to hit the farmer industry, which is 80% in India. If Modi ji would have done that, today the entire Indian farmers would have been at the roads.
How, as 18% industry is being Indian export is being hit, how how the government is planning to resolve this issue, or what kind of alternative the government is coming with?
Look, you've seen our NSA, Mr. Doval, had gone to Russia. So he's invited the Russian president. Mr. Putin is going to come down to India next month. So some plans must be being made, whether with Israel, with Russia, with all countries which are like UK. We have done zero this thing to their car industry and things like that. So in that, the bigger cars which were being imported from UK, you're going to get it on even half the prices. Your Land Rover, your any other good cars which you used to get 300% taxes you were paying. Now you don't have to pay tax. So certain industry will get, certain countries will come with you, but the UK, the Australia, many others. So you will have many friends. You don't have to have, if you miss on one friend, you will get 10 more. So
There is another demand from the industrialists that they should impose complete ban on the Chinese product, because this Chinese market is only it is the big reason that Indian market is being spoiled.
look, there are many issues. If you see earlier, Trump started off with China, that we are going to impose 100% tariff on them. So from that, then he came down to 50%. China has also paid the blunt. So the country which will not bow down in front of America will suffer a little bit. America is also going to suffer. Don't think that America is going to gain out of it. America is not going to gain out of it. But they are trying to show their might, that whatever America says, whatever Trump says, has to be followed. It is not going to go like that. India is self-sufficient. India is going to be the third biggest economy of the world. So, doesn't matter. We will bear it.
So FTA is being done with other countries as well now.
Of course. Of course. Why don't we? Why should we? China is not this thing. If we get a good deal from China, we'll have it. Our country will start giving import and export from there. So no one is a permanent enemy and no one is a permanent friend. The example is US right in front of you.
So he was BJP leader Fateh Singh Bajwa, and he said that BJP government, the central government, is making all efforts to resolve this issue, and they are finding alternatives to save the interest of farmers as well as to save the interest of industrialists as well. So efforts are being made to resolve the issue and to find alternatives by doing FTAs with different countries. So you are watching The Savera. Stay tuned to us. Follow us both on Facebook and YouTube, and also download our mobile application. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Manoj Sidhu.